Most homeowners, when they come and look at investigating solar power, are looking to reduce their energy bill. Energy bills have been going up year on year, and they're wanting to reduce those bills as much as possible. They'd also love to be able to reduce their CO2 emissions and have security for the future. So having long-term products that are going to be lasting into the future and keep on reducing bill year after year. Definitely reducing energy bills, giving them some freedom from having to have these locked into these large bills going forward. We're trying to size a system that's going to have the biggest impact. And one of the best ways of doing that is to, once we put the solar in, is to use appliances during the day when the sun's shining. So using up all the power you can while you've got the solar power working. Typically when a solar system's tailored correctly and that we've put in the system, you can expect to achieve a reduction in your energy bill by around about 50 to 60%. And this is dependent on how power is used during the day and maximising the appliances running when the solar is operational. Yeah, most customers want to be able to set and forget, but also know that it's working. So one of the things that we do is every job we connect to monitoring so that the solar system is proven that it's working. We have an app on a phone or on a tablet, and you can check that everything's working adequately and see that the solar is producing and that they're making savings. After installing a solar power system, you can expect it to return on its initial investment in around about 4 to 5 years. So that means that you're saving straight away from day one on your energy bill in the vicinity of 50 to 60% reduction in your first power bill.